Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to track the steps or the amounts of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and once you see it, you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets. Now, find the activity widget that looks like this and tap on it. And here, scroll through the pages by swiping up or down, and on one of the pages you will see the steps. And here we have it. You can also check the distance if you want and how many stairs or stuff like that you climbed. Okay. You can also check it by opening the menu by pressing the crown button, then finding the activity icon and tapping on it. If you want more details, you can do it or you can check it on the or in the phone app. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the phone application, which is the HUAWEI Health application, and in the app you can check for the more details. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here. Of course, this is the phone that is paired with my watch. Zoom out the camera, and once you bring the phone or grab the phone, you can open the HUAWEI Health application on it. And once the app opens, you should see the health page. And on this page, you should see this widget at the top, and on it you should see today's steps. You can tap on this today's steps, and here we have the data for steps, and we have data for the day, we have data for the week, data for the month, and the year. So you can check quite a lot of stuff. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you track the steps or amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.